Ocean Power Technologies highlighted its leadership in marine energy during a testimony before the New Jersey legislature on August 14. OPTT President and CEO Philip Stratman emphasized the state's opportunity to lead the emerging U.S. marine energy sector. Stratman highlighted OPT's recent milestone, the successful installation of an AI-capable Meros power buoy for the Naval Postgraduate School in Monterey Bay. This system integrates AT&T 5G technology with advanced subsea sensors for continuous monitoring and real-time data in defense, power, and environmental applications. Stratman believes New Jersey has the assets and expertise to be the nation's hub for marine energy. With clear test sites, streamlined permitting, and active state advocacy in federal arenas, New Jersey can drive innovation, create high-value jobs, and enhance climate resilience and national security. In his testimony, Stratman urged lawmakers to accelerate action by fostering industry collaboration, enabling real-world testing within state waters, and positioning New Jersey companies in national energy and defense conversations. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.